Why English is important? We can see that nowadays the demand of English is very high, whether it is corporate sector or whether it is government sector. Suppose if any person want to go in whatever sector he wants, so basically the huge demand of English is increasing in nowadays. Because we can see that we will deal with the international countries. We all know that every person is coming from the different backgrounds. Like one person is coming from the South India, so he or she knows the English. So how you can communicate? You can communicate only if you know the English, how to speak in English. If you want to go in any job, there is a huge demand of English, because if you know the English, if you can communicate the English. Suppose there are two persons. One is two people. One is knows the English, and other do not know the English. So basically, the first one who knows the English will be considered as a much basically improved person, or much good person, or much highly skilled person. Because if someone knows the English, it shows that he is
upgraded personality.
we can say that upgraded personality, or he is working upon himself. That's why he
or
knows
herself
English. Or herself.